everyone, it's Frankie-Lou coming to you from the greenhouse in the sky where we're doing a bit of seed saving today. I'm going to be seed saving from these sunflowers, and I thought it was a really good opportunity to talk about how you can seed save for trait. So all of these wonderful sunflowers that we've got growing in our cold hardy bed, they're all from the same variety of sunflower. We have noticed while they're growing that there's two main trait strains going on here. There's these ones with a huge sunflower head, lots and lots of big old seeds. And then there's these on one big head. And then there's these other ones that have like 20 different heads. This large head variety is really wonderful for providing food for our flock. So I'm going to definitely keep seeds, I'm going to call it strain 1, from these large heads. And there's two big heads like this that I'm going to save seeds from. We also have two plants with more than 20 heads. I'm going to call that strain 2, and I'm hoping that I can then plant strain 1 in the same bed and continue to get just mostly these larger heads, and strain 2 in another bed, which we can then use more for floral arrangements and doing neat little decorative things. So I'm going to take these babies down today. Now, the way that I know they're ready to go is you might have noticed that all the little flowerets were falling on my face. Look at that. That's perfect. This is exactly when you want to be taking a seed head down, not before that. It's all the seeds are formed. They're nice. We're going to hang this upside down to dry it. And then in probably a few weeks' time, I'm going to start cracking these open and saving these seeds. I got this one down too. Not all of these are ready of the smaller heads for seed saving, but the main big one is. So that's where I will save the strain 2 seeds. It does seem sad to be taking these wonderful plants down, but we have to prepare for winter, and we have to make room for that winter sun to be coming in low in our 4-season greenhouse. I'm going to put this away too. And I'll go get the other one. The sunflowers really loved it in here and did really well, as you can see, and have provided great support for beans and other things that we've had them grow. Oh, I think I might have to snap this one extra. People ask me why I've had so many concussions. There's a good example. Oh, this one's so heavy, it was actually ready to snap off all on its own. But perfect time for seed saving. Gonna make sure that they're dried out fully. And then we're going to store these seeds in paper coin envelopes and paper bags, not plastic. Because if there's one thing when it comes to seed saving that will destroy a seed before its time, it's excess humidity. So we're going to ensure that these are going to dry out fully, and we'll let you know how they do next year. Pretty sure they're going to do great. Make sure you take this chance to grow together today. Have a good one.